Hi friends, good evening. I hope you all are fine and enjoying your day. Today the topic which I choose is success versus failure. Guys, if you observe very minute detail, then you will observe there is no success and there is no failure. It's just a stage of mind when you get something what you want, you feel that you are success, and when you didn't get what you want, you think it's your failure. But this is not the true, guys. The reality is what is good for you, God gives it to you. And what is not good for you, God make that thing stay away from you. So every time you get something, you should be grateful for that. And when you not get something, you should be also grateful and you should think that thing was not good for you. That's why you didn't get that. So basically the success and failure is just like let's give an example that if we are going somewhere from one destination to another destination, we feel that we feel that there are many points in which we uh, stay in which we stay होता है ना, एक जर्नी में आइटिनरी होती है कि कहाँ कहाँ पर आप रुकेंगे. तो सम प्लेसेस आर गुड, सम प्लेसेस आर बैड. So the in journey of life, the success and failure are the same way. Sometimes you feel good, sometimes you don't, and it's just that. It's not a big deal. So basically, I want to say we should enjoy, but it doesn't mean that you should not work hard. You should not work honestly towards your goal, because if you will not go sincerely towards the goal, you will not never reach there. कहते हैं कि there is a English saying, I don't know who said this, कि success is just like a giving a birth to a new child. You don't know how many times you have to fuck off, and how much how much how much pain you have to feel before giving birth to a new child. And when you give a child a birth, you feel amazing. The same way the success, you feel lots of pain, lots of uh, difficulties, and when you get success, you feel amazing. You forget everything. Why? Because this is just a state of mind, guys. This is nothing more than that. मुझे जुकाम लग गया guys. I hope you guys are really celebrating and enjoying the journey of life with all your loved ones, and spending this journey which God has provided you beautifully without any complaint, without any excuses, very nicely. Wish you a very good evening, guys, and wish you a very happy journey of life ahead.